So I wanted to share some of my favorite drill attachments. Didn't know I needed these until I saw a video and a guy had these on his and thought it looked really great and and basically got exactly what he had on his drills and absolutely love these things. So I'll walk you through the three things that I'm absolutely in love with right now. Use them constantly on my drills. As you can see here, I've got a lot of the same attachments on all of these, but I'll walk you through. So we'll start with the BitGripper, and this is by Spider. And so I've got it kind of decked out here to show you guys what it can really do. But so what it is, if you look on both sides, it's got 3M tape, but it's basically an attachment that will adhere to a lot of different sides of your drill. Um, and you can put attachments inside of these things. So you obviously don't have to go the full setup like I do, but when you're up on a ladder and you're trying to do different things, you might as well take all the attachments you're going to need, right? So on this side, one of these, I attached it here, and as you can see, I've got my actual drill bits, and I've got some other attachments here. And then on the other side, you can see that I've got some more attachments, some other different drill bits to be able to drill some pilot holes and things like that. So this comes in just, it comes in real handy, especially when I'm trying to do different things. Like I said, drill pilot holes, um, you know, basically put some bolts in or put some screws in. I don't have to, look through my tool belt and try to find the right attachment. It's already here. So you can buy these like I did uh, in a 2-pack. So this is the Spider Bit Gripper V2. I think this comes in a 4-pack. So when you buy these on Amazon, you'll get 4 of these little rubber attachments, and a 3M will just allow you to adhere it. Multiple locations, I've obviously just got it on either side. It just was easy. I think you can attach them on the top too, but um, had these for over a year. They've definitely stood the test of time. So I definitely recommend that. You can buy a 4-pack on Amazon for 18 bucks. I've also got the DeWalt quick bit changer. This makes it extremely easy to just pop this in and out. And then I love having some type of magnetic attachment on my bits to be able to keep the screws in place when I'm taking them on or off. The next thing we're going to look at is down here. And I think this is Halberd, but it's a magnetic bit holder. Comes in a 2-pack on Amazon. And so you can see here that it's basically got places for 6 bits. And so once again, you pretty much can just kit it out the way you need to. These aren't going anywhere. I mean, they're in there. So, and I've got it on the other side as well. So, I mean, when you pretty much have an entire setup like this, you're gonna have exactly the tool you need without having to really fumble around and try to find the right bit. So, highly recommend it. About the bit holder, 2-pack is about $14.95 on Amazon. And the good news is this fits pretty much every single drill. I think when I was looking on their website, it easily had 8+ drills that this fits. And what really matters is they give you an assortment of screws, threaded screws, so you can be able to attach it to your drill. I know it'll fit Bosch, Milwaukee, um, Ryobi, Makita, and obviously DeWalt. So uh, definitely comes in handy. So I recommend that. Now mine is a standard. Um, and so you can get a premium, which basically ups the magnet. And so I'm only using mine to hold screws, as you guys can see here. I'm not using it to hold some serious weight. I think if you get the premium for a few bucks extra, it has an image of somebody holding like 2.5 pounds plus from this magnet, but I'm only using it for screws. And so, I mean, it's quite a bit, right? So that's all I need it for. Uh, Last thing I want to talk about is something I just got. Um, and so when I'm on a ladder, I'm constantly trying to find the best place to put my drill, and usually it just stays in my tool belt, but doesn't always want to stay there. Sometimes it kind of wants to come out. So I came across this also from Spider. Um, it's called the Spider Tool Holder Pro, 35 bucks on Amazon. And so you can clip this to your tool belt or whatever. Um, I actually don't always like to have to put, I don't want to always have to put my tool belt on. So this actually clips nicely to basically your belt. And so what this allows you to do is it comes with two of these little attachments that you can put onto your drill. And so what that will allow you to do is if this is, let's say this is on your tool belt, that just drops right in there nicely and it'll hang. And so if I let this go and just hold it from here, you know, it's kind of hanging freely, but I haven't had any issues with it getting in the way because it's hanging down by my leg, so it just kind of stays in place. Um, and then whenever I need it, you can lift up on this lever with your thumb, and the tool comes right out. So, I mean, that's just been nicely. It takes a little bit of getting used to basically do this with one hand, to reach down and grab your tool. So I can grab my tool with one hand, and at the same time as I'm lifting up, I can release it with the thumb, and it comes right out. So this is one of my new favorite things to have. So far, they've got a lot of different products that I haven't gotten yet, but I probably will start buying some more of their things because they don't just make it for your drill, right? They've got other different attachments to basically attach anything to any other type of tool to pretty much anything. So I'm going to give a couple of their other products a try, but so far I really like this. So I'll probably end up putting a few more of these on some of my drills. That way I don't have to worry about where I'm going to hang it whenever I'm not using it. So hopefully you guys found some of this useful. I've actually been giving these bit grippers and magnetic bit holders. I've been giving these as Christmas gifts to some of the guys in my family. Um, and so far everybody that's gotten it seems to love it because they all have power tools and they're all doing stuff. So it just, you know, it stays out of the way, but it's amazing when you actually put these on your tools. You won't be able to go back. It's just nice to be able to have everything right there in your hand, and not have to worry about trying to fumble through your tool belt or whatever for the right bit. So hopefully this helps, guys. Thanks.